Alright guys, today I'll show you how to create YouTube channel. This is like once you click on the Google, all these applications what they have, click on the YouTube. It will take you to the page what you actually see every, as per your favorites and all. So if you have a Gmail login, so you can log into Gmail, uh, which is basically connected to sign in here. There's a symbol here. You can see this. This is my channel's symbol, and then there's a capturing as you can see there. Here if I click on my channel, it will take me to the channel page what I have currently, videos, views, all these things. If I click on the down arrow which is showing there, you see there are two channel names which are showing. I just created just for this video. I kept some name here to Z posts. If I click on this, let's say some people who have two YouTube channels, they can go to this, they can shuffle or switch around two different accounts. So you can have, there is no restriction from YouTube that you must have these many channels only, but you can switch over to the channels as per your requirement. So here, if you want to add another channel, you can create that. So here, if I click on this one, it will take me to the channel what I had created just now. This is, I didn't post any videos there, but just information what I have just created now. If I have to go back to the previous, so there are two accounts here. If I click on this plus mark, it will take me to the to the swiping screen where I have to confirm the username, password. Basically the unlocking password. Then I can use the other account. I can use create the sign in with this. I can create another Gmail account, and then I can create one more YouTube channel. So this is how you create the YouTube channel on this thing. And if you have to shuffle between the channels, you can use this either mode. And if you, let's say I choose the main channel what I'm currently using, so you just need to click on this main channel. It will take you to the home where you have all the views. I just now posted the video, all my videos which is there. You can also directly go to the videos column here, and you can see there that information also. And playlist, all these things. I have not yet created in playlists, but I can do that also. And one more thing is I would like to tell you here how I actually upload the video in YouTube. So I would like to tell about that also, so that it will be helpful for you guys. It's basically, I'm using a free app which is its name as Video Maker. Click on this app, or else I'll show you this here. Go to Play Store, search for Filmingo. It's just name, it's a Video Maker, the same app what I'm using now, which I use to post the videos. I click on that. It's already, I have installed it, so it's showing me open. So just click on that. I don't know why is it coming as they changed the name. Earlier it used to come as Video Maker. Now it's showing as Filmigo. Here we have options, and I would like to tell something here where which I found very easy to upload any pictures. I mean, upload uh, you know video as well as the photos uh, without any difficulties. In fact, like, I was not at all aware before I was creating this channel about this, not much aware about this app. But once I started using this app, I learned a lot of things, which is useful and also easy to access all the things. If you some of the applications, some of the features in this app, where they'll say you need to purchase, basically it's not much. I think some 240 rupees something, Indian rupees, per month, which is like, anybody can afford on this. Okay, so here you have a editor option, studio effects and all. So if I have to click on editor, where it'll take me to my pictures, photos, videos and all. So this place, it will be easily, you can see that, let's say for example there is a video. Now I would like to see how I create a video here. I'll show you the video which I just created now. So I use some kind of picture which I have clicked some time ago. I just choose that picture. Wait a second, guys. Okay, so come back to the thing and then choose now let's say I have taken some pictures here. I have already copied to my Bluetooth, so I'll just use those pictures. Let's say I use the pictures here. Just click on the pictures, whichever I want to keep in this. I mean, you can choose any sequential order as per your needs, or maybe your wish to, you want to show that picture first, so you can do that also. So I just choose those pictures and then click on next. So it'll, because music is already there, so it started playing music. But before that, I would like to show you here something about the clip edit, where you can choose the duration, you can choose how long the picture should be. People should see that picture, like second, this is in seconds, like 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds and all. So you want to keep it 4 seconds, you can keep that. And you want to set this all the same, like 4 seconds for all the pictures, you can just make it slide, choose the right one, and then it will say OK there. It'll take you to, just click on this screen. I'll just remove the music. And then you can add here the subtitles. I found it's easy here. Let's say they can just drag it this side and choose any title, like which you would like to say. Let's say capturing eyes, I kept, and just said OK. And then I have an option to choose any one which I would like to say choose here. So it says capturing eyes, it says it comes like that. You wish to choose whatever you like, the title or maybe your channel name. Okay, so just click on, once you selected, I just click on tick mark, then music. You want to add any music. This is some audios are not copyrighted, where you might get copyright issues, but I would suggest, if in case you got any copyright issues, you can actually use YouTube's copyright music video, audios, so there's no issue with that. So you can just choose this one and then click on add music. Then the video started means it will come show, the music will start there. You can also once it is, let's say the video is ready, everything is ready, you just need to click on this mark, red mark, the tick mark, then it will show you YouTube. You want to upload the YouTube, just click on the YouTube, and then you have something called which mode you want to export the video, like fast mode, HD mode, 1080p. Okay, so I chose this 1080p, so it will start exporting the video. So it will not take much time based on the internet, what bandwidth of internet, how long you've been using, how fast it is. So once you upload this, once the exporting of the video finishes, then it will take you to this next screen where you have to use it will be uploading into YouTube the page where it will first process, then it will start loading the video. So you see how quickly there are around 14 pictures. Now see, it will say, if I just click, I will not say, you need to choose the title, what title you want to keep that for that particular video, and then description, and you can choose this whether it is public or private, or you can give any tags, like you wish to tag anything, like any specific tags you want to do, and location also you can say, mention that. Once you click on that, just click on this blue arrow, you see there, once you click on that, then the video will be start processing in YouTube. Okay, I hope this is what I do, and it doesn't take much time, but the only thing is it's free, and you can use it easily. Okay, you don't need to buy any app or video editor to upload the videos into YouTube, initially at least. So later on, once you start have more subscribers, or you want to have your videos to be much more quality, or maybe much more better than what you're doing today, so you can use the purchase one. But in this you have quite enough options where you can use complete features of this app. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share about this video, the features, what I do on how I upload videos on YouTube. So I hope you guys like the video. If you please do comment, share your comments, your opinion, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.